In a world where innovation seems to be ever expanding, it's easy to lose track of the latest groundbreaking inventions. From life-changing medical advancements to mind-boggling technological marvels, there's always something new on the horizon. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 incredible inventions that you probably haven't seen yet, but are sure to amaze you once you do. Before we start, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. Number 1. Overboat 100F. Equipped with the latest generation of articulated hydrofoils, the Overboat copyright stabilizes automatically while cruising, thanks to its exclusive and patented pitch regulation technology that provides exceptional control. This feature is what makes the Overboat copyright tough, fun, and easy to handle. Its electric propulsion system is environmentally friendly, generating no CO2 and causing zero noise pollution. This system uses just 10% of the energy used by a boat with an internal combustion engine at the same speed. With the Overboat copyright 100F, experience the unique sensation of flying over the waves in complete safety. Finally, you can have fun on the water without polluting, making noise, or disturbing others. Number 2. Cyclotech. Cyclotech provides the aviation vertical takeoff and landing market with a 360-degree thrust vector control system as a superior main or auxiliary propulsion technology. Cyclo rotors are compact and allow precise maneuverability and a stable transition from hover to flight even in harsher weather conditions due to the instant and direct control of magnitude and direction of thrust. The rotor technology enables the industry to develop the next generation of aircraft, especially for UAV, and individual air mobility applications. In addition, Cyclotech explores a vertical axis wind turbine design with the cyclogyro principle as the underlying technology to contribute to a smarter and greener future. Number 3. DC-100 Dreamchaser Commercial Spaceplane. The Dreamchaser Spaceplane is the first ever winged commercial spaceplane that will open shared access to space and international collaboration for all humankind. Tenacity is a highly customizable multi-mission spacecraft for a wide range of applications and can provide fast turnaround times and handle critical payloads for global customers. Tenacity represents an uncrewed spiritual successor to the Space Shuttle, and at 30 feet long, it's roughly a quarter of the total length of the Space Shuttle orbiters. Tenacity's pressurized volume is 33 cubic meters. This makes the spaceplane more sustainable and easier to maneuver, but it also assists with gentle 1.5G runway landings, ideal for fragile cargo. The multi-mission spaceplane fleet is designed to transport crew and cargo to low Earth orbit and can be customized for both domestic and international customers for global operations. Number 4. Subaru Air Mobility. Subaru's latest concept is proof that major automakers are looking to the skies to help people avoid gridlock traffic. Dubbed the Air Mobility Concept, Subaru showed the Japan Mobility Show in Tokyo that it has skyward aspirations. Making this concept even more interesting is that Subaru says it's working with aerospace engineers on flight demonstrations. Naturally, this is terrifying, but for fans of the idea of flying cars, it's only looking up. The company hasn't disclosed what kind of powertrain it plans on using to feed its multi-rotor design, but judging by the layout, it will likely rely on a big electric battery. Number 5. Zipline P2. The P2's delivery system is designed to work as a freestanding dock where employees can walk outside and load up a droid, or it can be installed in a building, where a droid can be let down through a tunnel and wait for someone to load it. The idea here is that the flying zips could service deliveries from multiple businesses, picking up their payload from different docks as needed, preventing each location from having to manage its own drone setup. Number 6. Xturismo Hoverbike. Inspired by the Star Wars saga, the Xturismo Hoverbike aims to be a new icon of next-generation air mobility and is set to take on unaccountable skies. With its sleek exterior design, the bike claims a maximum speed of 80 to 100 km per hour and a cruising range of 40 km. With a hybrid propulsion system, Xturismo consists of an internal combustion engine and 4 electric motors. The primary propellers provide the necessary lift for the hoverbike, while the smaller ones act as the stabilizer. Compiling the different modules into a 3.7 m long and 2.4 m wide whole, the hoverbike weighs about 300 kilograms and can carry approximately 100 kilograms of payload. Number 7. Insolagrin. Insolagrin is an innovative agrivoltaic solution where translucent solar modules replace the plastic tunnels usually used in agriculture. It allows to produce solar energy and protect crops, enabling dual use of land. More than a solar installation, Insolagrin is thus a new tool for farmers. The light transmission control allows farmers to optimize crop growth over seasons and climate changes. Number 8. Aptera Launch Edition. Aptera's Launch Edition was created with one purpose in mind: energy efficiency. Its unique shape, ultra-lightweight and ultra-strong materials allow Aptera to slip through the air using a quarter of the energy compared to other electric and hybrid vehicles on the road today. Equipped with roughly 700 watts of proprietary solar technology, Aptera drives up to 40 miles per day directly from the sun's rays, making it possible to never plug in to charge again. Number 9. Duoone. The one-screen mode for dual monitors is incredibly valuable. However, not all dual monitor setups support this seamlessly through hardware. The Duoone stands out from other dual monitor products as it enables the combination of two devices systems onto one screen. This allows for effortless movement of the mouse between the two devices and smooth keyboard input, eliminating the need for toggling. In outdoor settings, conventional monitors set to full brightness provide only 250 CD per square meter of brightness, which can be problematic for visibility. Secondly, Duoone seamlessly merges two system devices into a unified one-screen experience, allowing your keyboard and mouse to effortlessly transition between each device. No toggling, no switching, and no need for additional software drivers. Number 10. Airstream Estream Concept. From advanced aerodynamics to a state-of-the-art chassis and a new power system with advanced batteries, motors, and control systems, it's the most technologically advanced travel trailer ever produced by Airstream or its Thor partners. A travel trailer at its heart is a home on wheels, a place to stay comfortably while experiencing the best of travel freedom. The Estream delivers on that promise, with technology and systems aimed at heading further afield while bringing along the comforts of home. High-voltage batteries, an expansive solar rooftop, and advanced electronic systems provide an on-grid experience even when camping far from shore power. Connect to an integrated Wi-Fi hotspot, fire up the all-electric appliances, and leave the messy, loud generators at home. Don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, stay amazed!